Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make hibiscus tea, aka Zobo. If you're in Nigeria and you know that Zobo is the main tea. I'll be using pineapple, ginger, some sugar for sweetening. You can use honey or anyone. And I'll also be using some cloves and of course the dried hibiscus flower. So I'm chopping my ginger now. After that, I'll dice the pineapple into smaller pieces and just boil them together. I don't use artificial flavors, so I'll just be using pineapple. I also don't take out the shell of the pineapple. I just wash it thoroughly and that's it. The dry flour is all washed. I'll be adding the pineapple. After that, I'll add the ginger and I'll add the cloves. Add some water and then boil for 10 minutes. Since no one is coming to make this into a red wine, like pack it in a red wine bottle, I think I should do that. What do you guys think? Who is ready to sponsor me? Please let me know in the comment section or send me an email. So I'm going to drain it out. I'm going to drain out the, ingredients and just have my red wine ready. I actually look at this as my red wine. I just need to put a name on it. This tastes so good. You can take it warm, but I prefer to take it when it's cold. So I'm going to add some sugar. I'm not adding all the sugar. You can use honey, whatever works for you. So we have our hibiscus red wine ready, Drop in some ice if you really want it extra cold, and that's it. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and leave a comment in the comment section. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.